Hello, I'm Sam from Wrexham Volkswagen, and today I'm going to be talking you around this used vehicle. It's my pleasure to introduce to you this fantastic Volvo XC90 twin-engine recharge 11.6 kilowatt R-Design Pro Auto with the exterior painted in a light grey colourway. This hybrid vehicle is powered by a mixture of a 2-litre petrol engine, an automatic gearbox, as well as a battery with a range of 29 miles. Some of the great exterior features of this vehicle include the subtle black accents throughout, including the practical black roof bars, and not to forget about these fantastic 22-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels. This vehicle benefits from an electric tailgate, allowing the user to easily access the boot space through the key fob. What you're seeing here is the boot space with the 2 extra passenger seats in the folded up position. However, you can easily fold down the 2 extra passenger seats and enjoy this fantastically enormous boot space. Another great feature to this vehicle is the electric tow bar, easily accessible through the boot space. It adds massively to the overall practicality of this vehicle. And then once you're all finished up in the rear of the vehicle, you'll be pleased to know closing the boot is easy as just pressing a button. What you see here is the previously mentioned 2 extra passenger seats, helping to make this vehicle a fantastic people carrier. All 5 of your rear passengers will be travelling in comfort with these fantastic black leather rear seats. Another great feature that your rear passengers will love is the air conditioning along with the phone charging capabilities. Moving on now to the front cabin, you'll find it to be incredibly spacious and modern. There's a whole lot of built-in amenities along with storage capability throughout. Both the driver and front passenger will benefit from these fantastically comfortable black leather front seats, which feature electrically controlled tilt and reach adjustment. The driver will also enjoy this fantastic 3-spoke heated multifunctional steering wheel. You can control numerous settings on the dash, such as a trip advisor, your media settings, navigational system, as well as a hands-free telephone. The centre console benefits from a fantastic touchscreen display in which you can access a whole host of settings such as your radio, hands-free telephone, navigational system. There's a whole lot of driver convenience settings as well as driver assist systems built in. This vehicle also benefits from a fantastic bird's-eye view parking camera to help you manoeuvre in and out of tricky parking spots. The fantastic dual zone air conditioning is also easily controlled from the touchscreen display, ensuring that you're always travelling in comfort. Panning down this modern and stylish cabin, you'll find numerous storage capabilities with built-in cup holders as well as a folding armrest storage compartment. For more information on this vehicle or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 01978 340 600 or inquire online now.